In this video, we will show you how to enable the post-call operator reference feature. Post-call operator reference is a tracking pool feature that allows operators to input a unique 4-digit code after a call. The purpose of this is so you can identify which operator answered the calls without needing to listen to the call recordings. This allows those who review the calls to save time and minimises the guesswork required by management who would otherwise have to manually match an agent to a call simply by listening to the recordings. This feature is controlled per tracking pool, so it must be turned on for each tracking pool you want to use it on. To enable this feature, from the hub, simply go into your settings. If you then go into Setup Settings and then Telephony Settings, you will then need to go into the Dialing Groups editor and simply locate the tracking pool that you would like to enable this feature on, either by using the search bar provided or by simply scrolling to the relevant tracking pool. Once you have located your tracking pool, simply click on Edit Config. You will then need to scroll down to your reference options. So here we have call reference options and simply tick the box which says enable post-call operator reference entry. Once that is then ticked, you can scroll the way down to the bottom, click on save changes, and this feature will now be enabled for this particular tracking pool. Please note, if you use call ratings in conjunction with post-call operator reference, the whisper will play after the call rating prompt. The call log is the only place where you can find the operator reference code, and you will not be able to see the operator's name unless you have an Infinity PBX. Thank you for watching.